Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a showdown between two security cameras that will make your home feel like Fort Knox. On the left, we have the ieGeek security camera, and on the right, we have the eufy Security SoloCam S220. Let the battle begin. Let's kick things off with the price tag. The ieGeek security camera comes in at a budget-friendly $59, while the eufy Security SoloCam S220 is priced at $129. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to keep some extra cash in my wallet. So the ieGeek security camera takes the win in this category. Next up, installation. The ieGeek security camera boasts an easy 1-minute installation, and it's 100% wireless and rechargeable. No more running cables like a marathon runner. On the other hand, the eufy Security SoloCam S220 also offers a wire-free design, but it claims to only require drilling one hole. Well, eufy, I'm no handyman, but one hole sounds pretty good to me. So the eufy Security SoloCam S220 takes the win in this category. Now let's talk about video quality. The ieGeek security camera offers 2K QHD video and 33 feet color night vision. Say goodbye to grainy footage and hello to crisp details, even in the dark. Meanwhile, the eufy Security SoloCam S220 boasts infrared LEDs and an f1.6 aperture for excellent night vision. Well, I don't know about you, but I want to see every detail day or night. So the ieGeek security camera takes the win in this category. Moving on to motion detection. The ieGeek security camera features AI and PIR motion detection with real-time alarm notifications. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home. On the other side, we have the eufy Security SoloCam S220, which also offers human detection and alerts. Well, eufy, I appreciate the effort, but I want to be alerted about any unwanted visitors, whether they're human or not. So the ieGeek security camera takes the win in this category. Last but not least, let's talk about additional features. The ieGeek security camera offers 100% free features on their ieGeek Cam app with no subscription fees. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof, so it can withstand rain, snow, and even a water gun fight. On the other hand, the eufy Security SoloCam S220 claims to have on-device storage and AI with no monthly fees. Well, eufy, I like the idea of no monthly fees, but I also like free features and waterproof cameras. So the ieGeek security camera takes the win in this category. After a fierce battle, the ieGeek security camera takes the crown as the winner of this showdown. But remember, it all depends on your needs and preferences. Both cameras have their strengths, so choose wisely. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more showdowns and smart buying tips. Leave a comment below about which security camera you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.